Good morning, everybody. This is Ricardo. I will be your guide in the next 4 days. And welcome to Inca Quarry Trail in September. Hi everyone, day number 1 on our Inca Quarry trek. Today is September 5th. We're having a nice weather. We explored the waterfall and the archaeological site. Now we are in our campsite at 3,700 meters. Good morning everybody, day number 2 on our Inca Quarry trek. It's a foggy morning. Today is September 6th and we will be doing a 3 hours hike up to get the pass, which is 4,400 meters, lunch, and after lunch a 4 hours hike flat and down to get our campsite. Well done, guys. High five, everybody. Hi everyone, this is still day number 2. We are at the pass at 4,400 meters and this is the view at this moment. Guys, it is still day number 2. We did it the pass and the weather changed very quick. It's foggy and it's drizzling. We're close to our lunch spot. Good afternoon, guys. We're on day 2. We are making our way down to get Sun Gate and our campsite. Remember, guys, we're doing this trek in September. This month offers sunny, mild days and cool nights with a minimum rainfall. Right now, we're having a nice weather. de este lado. Hi everyone, day number 3. Today is September 7th. We already explored the amazing Inca Quarry. We're gonna have our lunch and then take the train to Aguas, Calientes. Because tomorrow we're gonna visit Machu Picchu. A ver, está uniformado el conductor. Sí, está uniformado. Good morning everybody, finally day number 4 and I have a big surprise for you, one of the 7 wonders in the world, Machu Picchu. After 3 days hiking through waterfall, Inca's side, breathtaking views, we get Machu Picchu.